Hello and welcome to question 1 part C of the Oxford Maths Admissions Test for 2018. Let a, b, c and d be real numbers. The two curves y equals ax squared plus c and y equals bx squared plus d have exactly 2 points of intersection precisely when a over b is less than 1, a over b is less than c over d, a is less than b, c is less than d, or d minus c times a minus b is greater than 0. So I'm going to start off by making these two curves equal to one another. So ax squared plus c is equal to bx squared plus d. I'm going to do a bit of rearranging and factorisation to come to ax squared minus bx squared plus c minus d to get 0 on the right hand side. Here's the factorisation now. And now I'm going to take c minus d to the right hand side. And notice the sign change within the bracket. So we're going to use a little bit of logic here. If a minus b is equal to 0, then we have d minus c is equal to 0, which implies that c equals d, and that will give us infinite solutions. Since if a minus b is 0, then we're saying that a equals b, which would mean that c equals d, so these curves lie precisely on top of one another, like so, on our axis. So we would have infinitely many solutions. If a minus b equals 0 and d minus c is not equal to 0, c minus d, so we're saying for the same curve, if c and d do not equal, then we would have no solutions. The curves wouldn't intersect at all. So we've established that a minus b equals 0 will give us no valid solutions, so we can safely divide by a minus b both sides. That leaves us with x squared equals d minus c divided by a minus b. Now, solving for x, we can see that if this d minus c divided by a minus b were equal to 0, that would give us only one root, since x squared is equal to 0. So both x's in this case would be equal to 0, so there's only one root there. So we can say that d minus c divided by a minus b must be greater than 0 to give us the two roots that we're looking for. We can then times both sides by a minus b squared, and that would give us d minus c, a minus b greater than 0. So there's our answer for two real roots, and that is choice E. I hope that helps. If it has, please leave a like. If it hasn't helped or it's not clear enough, please just comment down below, and I'll consider remaking the video or just answering your question in the comments. Bollocks. I hope that's helped. If it has, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. If it hasn't helped, please just leave a comment down below with your question, and I'll consider remaking the video or just answering your question in the comments. But other than that, thank you very much for watching and keep up the hard work.